Strategies for increasing deposits at your bank. Every community bank's marketing team aims to understand precisely how to raise bank deposits, but there are times when it's challenging to know where to start. You might be wondering if any of your marketing ideas are really worth attempting because there are so many different ways to advertise your bank. Let's discuss 10 methods for obtaining bank deposits in order to grow your deposits in light of this. 10 strategies for driving bank deposits. 1. Analyze your best customers. You and your entire staff need to be aware of this group of banking clients and their reasons for choosing a neighborhood bank if you want to draw in more of them. Write up a one-sheet explaining precisely how they currently learn about your bank and what services you offer that are most enticing to them. Then, analyze your current clients to choose which demographic will be your target for this quarter or marketing campaign. Next, come up with ideas for how to link those strands. 2. Increase the deposit rate. Offering better rates is one of the simplest methods to increase competition. Although it is not the only effective marketing tactic, it is the one that has the clearest message and the simplest sales pitch. Just keep in mind that, unless you're working with consumers that spend a lot of money, a rate probably won't hold a potential lead. Your ability to help them reach their financial goals will. 3. Invest in your community. When contrasting local institutions to national banks, few selling points are more effective than personal attention and civic ethics. You may give potential consumers a reason to select you over a larger bank, even if other banks have greater rates, by strongly giving back to your community through both words and deeds. Recognizing and assisting your local customers is a terrific approach to make your investment obvious. See if you can collaborate on fundraising initiatives or make joint contributions to neighborhood schools if you work with local business owners. There are a variety of strategies you may use, such as trying out adult financial education seminars, to assist folks in understanding how to safeguard their future. 4. Make sure your local SEO is up to date. Making sure your local SEO is up to par is one of the most significant things you can do from the perspective of digital marketing to help you stand out online. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is simply ensuring that your website interacts as effectively as possible with Google and other local directories. Either try it yourself or get someone to do it for you. The most important items to get right are your Google business page, gathering Google reviews, and ensuring sure your address and phone number have been added to Google Maps, Waze, and other services. 5. Employ online marketing. You should definitely participate in web advertising, despite the fact that costs will be significantly greater in larger cities. For the purpose of generating leads, setting up evergreen ad campaigns that compete for keywords like local bank near me and need to set up a checking account on Google can be very beneficial. Utilize a Facebook pixel to connect it to a unique landing page and bam! Retarget clickers. Your bank deposit growth machine is a set-it-and-forget-it system. 6. Ensure that your website is mobile responsive. Today, you must make sure that everything you do online is mobile friendly. Younger demographics won't convert as well if it isn't, and Google will devalue your site. A website can be utilized and shown well on mobile devices if it is responsive, which is merely fancy speak for that. Click here to read more. Open your website on a desktop computer, click the Windows top right corner, and drop it down to a small size to see if it responds to different screen sizes. You're good to go if your website adapts itself to fit the window. You'll know there's work to be done if it starts cutting stuff off and looks ugly. 7. Integrate additional services. You should have confidence in your bank. Customers are more likely to grow their business with you if they feel confident in you to provide guidance on crucial business decisions. Building supplementary services that assist your ideal consumer or partnering with them is one approach to do this. For instance, if you work with a lot of business owners, you may collaborate with an entrepreneurship center to give cutting-edge merchant services or to receive discounts for your members. 8. Collaborate with respectable companies. Similarly, identifying the top companies in your community and fostering relationships with them can be quite beneficial, particularly if the services they offer frequently call for finance. For instance, numerous community banks and credit unions collaborate with nearby auto dealers to provide convenient loan financing. When you work with the appropriate individuals, a consumer who trusts them will implicitly trust your company and regard it as a reliable suggestion. 9. Segment your marketing. Specificity is the foundation of marketing. Try to connect every endeavor and plan you make for marketing to a certain demographic. This enables you to be focused in all of your communications, including copy and emails. The more specifically you can address their needs, the more probable it is that they will switch to your bank. You can also approach this from the perspective of the product, separating your marketing efforts into segments such as student accounts, new business accounts, etc. 10. Offer additional incentive. There are many conventional approaches you can use in addition to the longer-term deposit growth tactics. To begin started, consider this short list. Provide rewards for registering or recommending users. Provide progressive rates based on the balance of an account. Reduce or get rid of overdraft fees. Provide members with free checks. Allow deposits through mobile. Avoid imposing a transfer fee. Ensure that registering for new accounts on your web portal is simple. Provide free protection from identity theft.